Our detailed comparisons are made possible by users who subscribe. Please support us and subscribe.
Okay, so we're looking at two super-automatic espresso machines, right? The Philips 3200 series and the De'Longhi Magnifica Evo next.
Yep, let's dive in. The Philips is around $600, but it's renewed, and the De'Longhi is pricier at about $800, but brand new with a discount.
That's a big difference. So what are we getting for that extra cash?
Well, the De'Longhi boasts 13 one-touch recipes, including latte, cappuccino, and even Americano. The Philips offers only 5, but it does include iced coffee as a specific option.
Ah, interesting. I do love an iced coffee, but 13 recipes is impressive. What about the milk frothing?
The De'Longhi has their latte crema system, which automatically froths milk or milk alternatives, and it's dishwasher safe. The Philips has the LatteGo system, promising silky smooth froth.
Both sound good. I wonder about the grinder.
Both have a built-in grinder. The De'Longhi uses a conical burr grinder with 13 settings, so you have more control over the grind size. The Philips uses ceramic grinders, claiming they'll last for 20,000 cups.
20,000 cups? That's a lot of coffee. What about user profiles?
The De'Longhi lets you personalize and save drink recipes with 3 user profiles, which is nice for multiple users. The Philips doesn't mention user profiles specifically.
Okay, good to know. What about the displays?
The De'Longhi has a 2.4-inch TFT color screen with soft touch buttons. The Philips, well, it doesn't really specify the display type, so I'm assuming it's more basic.
So the De'Longhi seems more feature-rich and a bit more modern. But is it worth the extra $200? Also, the Philips has great reviews, and people say it's easy to clean. That's important.
It depends on your needs. If you want a wider variety of drinks, user profiles, and a more advanced interface, the De'Longhi might be worth it. But if you're happy with fewer options and want to save some money, the Philips is still a solid choice, especially if you value that iced coffee function. Plus, it's a renewed product, so you're saving something, environmentally speaking.
Good point. I think I need to think about how many different drinks I actually want to make. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.